We continue with the writing. The writing session has two tasks, task 1 and task 2. Task 1 must be completed with at least 150 words in about 20 minutes. Task 2 must be completed within 40 minutes with at least 250 words. IELTS Academic Writing Task. Task 1. Here you must describe a graph, table, chart, map, process, pie chart or diagram in your own words. Task 2 is an essay. Depending on the task, you present a solution to a problem, present and justify an opinion, compare and contrast evidence, opinions and implications. That is about writing task in academic training. Next, writing task in general training. There you have task 1 and 2. So task 1, you must write a letter in response to a given everyday situation. Task 2, write an essay about a topic of general interest. And finally, the speaking. It is a face-to-face interview between the test taker and an examiner. Here you have 3 sections. First section is the introduction and interview. You must introduce yourself, home, family, work, studies, hobbies, interests, reasons for taking IELTS. That is for 4 to 5 minutes. And section 2 is for 3 to 5 minutes. There, a cue card will be presented to you. You get 1 minute to prepare about the topic. After 1 minute, the examiner starts the speaking session of section 2. You have to speak for about 2 minutes. At the end of 2 minutes or whenever required, the examiner stops you. The section 3, that is a discussion part. It's about 4 to 5 minutes. That is a discussion between the examiner and the test taker related to the theme or the cue card already spoken in section 2. Thank you.